How to reset password of Morgan Stanley Bank. So if you want to reset or recover your Morgan Stanley online banking account, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your preferred browser, and here on the search, you need to search for Morgan Stanley. After searching for it, now you need to go with www.morganstanley.com, which will take you to the website. Now from here, you need to go with the login section, which is on the top right. So go with login, online, and it will take you to the login page. Now here, if you remember your credentials, you need to enter your username and your password, and you'll be able to log in. But if you don't remember your password, if you want to reset your username or your password, then you need to go with forgot username if you forgot your username, or if you forgot your password, you can go with forgot password. And here you need to choose what type of account do you have. So if you have Morgan Stanley online, you can go with online, or you can go with the second one, which is I do not have an account, but I have created online credentials. Or you can go with Stock Pain, or you can go with Stock Plan Connect. So I'll go with the first one and then go with continue. And here you need to enter your username. After entering your username, you need to enter the last 4 digits of your SSN number, which is social security number. After entering your social security number and your username, you can go with continue. And after that, you will receive some OTP or some codes or reset links. You need to authenticate, and after authenticating, you'll be able to create your password. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.